Good morning, guys. So we are now in Conrad here in Manila. So I'm gonna give you a little tour of our room. Welcome. Hi. So this is our room. So we are staying in a premier room here at Conrad, and it is city view. So we have two twin beds. So Luis is gonna stay there. I'm gonna sleep here, and I'm not sure if mom's gonna sleep there. But we can ask for additional. Yeah, so when you enter, guys, there's this. So I believe these are the amenities here. So there's purified water, and they also have a mini fridge where it has all of this, but of course it comes with a price. So here's the prices for that here at Manila. Oh. So yeah, it comes with the I believe this is a champagne, beers, I'm vlogging. Coca-Cola, Summit, Stillwater. There's Kit Kats. There's also Nespresso and water heater. And it doesn't come with any. It has this snacks. Of course, we're not gonna eat from there. So you have tea here, and so this is the TV. We'll see, that's my last name. Food. And this is the desk. This is like their mini side table and accent chair. So on this side is the walk-in closet. So it comes with a safe. I don't know what is this, but it looks like a hair dryer. It comes with the press table, and then the plancha, the presser. So you're gonna close that, and there's a bathrobe, and then the amenities there. And here is the washroom. So when you enter, you're gonna be greeted with a sink, and then they have the amenities, which is Crabtree and Evelyn. So there's a soap. There's also the kit here, and on the left side is the shower area. So it comes with those jet water, and then onto your right is the poop area, the toilet. Comes with bidet with foam, everything. So yep, I'm gonna let you check our view. So our view is here. So we're facing IKEA here in Manila.
Oh, IKEA.
So this is we're not even on a pool view, but this is still nice. This is a huge couch. Look at that. Alright guys, so that's my quick room tour of our stay here at Conrad. We're gonna I'm probably gonna do another vlog to tour you around Conrad. I saw the lobby. There's 2 lobbies. It's pretty nice, and we wanna check out the pool and also the restaurant. So keep on watching, and if you're planning to stay here, I booked this through Expedia, and yeah, I got a $150 discount from using Expedia to book this. So yeah, if you're still watching up to this point, thank you, and we're gonna see you on my next vlog. Thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to click that notification bell button so you're gonna be updated with my future Canadian life and travel vlogs. Peace out.